What's up, all my Up Next babies? It's your girl LexUpNext, and I'm back with another video. So, y'all already know, if you're a returning subscriber, what's happening? And if you're a new subscriber, hit that subscribe button. Stop playing with it, okay? So, today I will be doing this natural beat on this young lady that I did her makeup. It was one of my clients, and she let me record her for one of my YouTube videos. So yeah, I'm about to show y'all how I do my natural beats. It's not gonna be in detail. As you can see, it's sped up. I already went through some of the process already. So yeah, I'm just about to give y'all some. I'm gonna just tell y'all what I'm using, not exactly what I'm using, but what I'm doing. I think that's what I'm gonna do. So I was just priming her face, but now I'm razoring her eyebrows. A lot of it is kind of self-explanatory, not really in detail, but like you could just see what I'm doing. So I'm razoring her eyebrows. I just had to clean them up a little bit. They wasn't too messy, and I just like to trim the brows too. And now I'm just filling them in with a pencil. You can use any pencil you want to use. I just prefer my pencils to not be too dark, and I don't like the brows to be too dark, you know what I'm saying, like too filled in. So yeah, I'm taking my concealer and I'm concealing up under the brow. Yeah, like I said, this isn't in detail, you know, with the products I'm using and what I'm exactly doing. It's not that type of video. It's just sped through or whatever. Yeah, so I'm concealing up under her brows, and I like to conceal the whole eye, just so it can be all the same color, and it'll be an easy application when you put the eyeshadow on. So this is a natural look. I know I said that in the beginning, but I just had to specify that. So the eyeshadow that I'm about to do is going to be really natural. I want to say I only used one color, and that was just the color that I'm putting on her legs. Yeah, and I just make sure it's all blended out. Nothing major, nothing too hard. This is a beginner-friendly video. Because I feel like it's easy. Well, I can't say that because some people really don't know, but this could help a beginner. Yep, so I'm just blending it and going back into her brows. You know, just perfecting where I see imperfections. Putting her foundation on. I like to use Fit Me foundation. I can tell y'all that product, you know what I'm saying. If y'all want to in detail, really, if y'all want me to teach you how to do it, I host classes. I do classes, well, one-on-one classes. So you can just book a one-on-one class with me. I don't really want to go into too much detail. I may do that in another video, but like if you really want me to show you my techniques and how I do it, book with me. Make sure y'all go follow my Instagram. I'm gonna leave that on the screen right here. Go follow my Instagram. Right here, I'm just concealing. I'm taking a concealer that's close to her skin tone first, and then I'm going with a little lighter concealer. And I just like using a beauty blender to blend out everything. And that's the Real Techniques beauty blender. I love Real Techniques. I love their brushes. I love their beauty blenders. I just love their whatever you call it, their y'all know what I'm saying, but yeah, I like it. So yeah, I'm just making sure everything is evenly blended out. Don't mind sometimes I make it in front of the camera or whatever, because I know I'm in front of the camera. But right here, I'm just contouring her face with a cream contour, and then I'm coming back to blend the, you know, just get a seamless blend from the contour to the under eye concealer. Here I'm sitting up under her eye. Just setting her face, sitting under her eye, beside her mouth, you know, where your smile lines, your forehead. Now I'm contouring her nose. I'm cream contouring her nose because she wanted her nose contoured. Like, usually for my natural faces, I contour, but I contour with powder and not the cream. And for my glamorous faces, I will use the cream to get a more crisp nose contour, but she wanted it really crisp. So that's what I'm doing, just blending everything, you know. Then I'm going back with the setting powder just to press everything in, because we don't need no creasing. And now I'm just powdering her face just to make sure everything is evenly powdered, you know. Right here, I'm going in with a powder contour, just on top of that cream contour. So everywhere I contour, or everywhere I cream contour on her face, I'm powdering it. Right here, I'm going in with a highlight. I didn't want the highlight too dramatic because, like I said, I am doing a natural face. So I'm just doing a really subtle highlight. And I'm going to clean up her brows just to finish off the look. Just pushing through, getting them the way that I want them to look. She was feeling herself throughout the video, y'all. But I just did a liner, and now I'm measuring her lashes before I put them on, and that's where I'm putting them on right here. I'm actually gluing them down right there. And y'all, those are a pair of my lashes that I sell, so make sure y'all get at me. Go follow my product page, which is Shop Alexis Monet. And you can DM me if you want to purchase some lashes, or you want to purchase some setting spray, the setting spray that I just used on her. So yeah, that was my video. I know it was really quick. I hope y'all like this look, and like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next video.